BMNR's up 100%. My people, this isn't a stock. It's a spiritual margin call from the heavens.
I scalped BMNR for 30 seconds. Platform freezes. I genuinely thought I transcended and become pure unrealized P&L energy.
Relax, goblins. BMNR's a microcap financial that tripped a gamma landmine. Shorts got blended, and you two are planning a cult pilgrimage.
It's literally a short squeeze feedback loop. Thin float, aggressive call buying, social sentiment froth, and everyone's chasing an opening drive breakout like it's free money.
Exactly, Oren accidentally nailed it. BMNR is the purest test of faith. Buy first 15 seconds, sell to the second choir. Never hang around for the judgment candle.
Wait, judgment candle? Bro, that 5-minute BMNR week was a biblical rejection. Like the market said, you are not him.
Intraday tip number 1. If the candle looks like a skyscraper and you're buying the top window, you're not trading, you're donating.
I told my community, BMNR only for sniper entries. Opening range break, quick scale, then sprint away before liquidity rug pulls your soul.
With realized volatility near 800% today, this isn't scalping. It's consensual emotional damage, unless you size like a rational person.
Rational? I sprinted from BMNR straight into BA, another moonshot, because why not chain up industrials like it's an energy drink?
BA ripping 15% on backlog hype and guidance like they just rediscovered physics, and Jets treating it like a meme coin with wings.
BA is my boomer moonshot, man. Options chain look like a slot machine. Volume pouring in at the open. Perfect opening drive scalp off that gap.
To be fair, BA had legit catalysts, better delivery outlook, cleaner guidance, and a squeeze on the perma-doom crowd shorting every headline.
Yeah, but spreads were chunky at the open. My heart rate hit 200 chasing that first BA 1-minute breakout. Not financial advice, just cardiology.
Tip number 2, degenerates. Don't size full tilt into a 15% gap on a legacy name during the first 60 seconds, unless you also enjoy calling your broker emotionally.
Bro, stop scaring my people. BA was textbook. Gap, flag near VWAP, reclaim, squeeze. If you missed it, that's mindset, not market makers.
It's also risk management, Toro. Not everything is mindset and moon phases. Sometimes it's just your stop was imaginary.
Speaking of moon phases, CRDO up 12%. Was that earnings algo joy, or did Reddit just collectively misclick buy?
CRDO had a clean beat, data center demand, margin guide decent. Then momentum funds saw the gap and said, "Ah yes, our daily sacrifice to the chip gods."
CRDO was the chosen intraday trend. Higher lows on the 5. VWAP never truly lost. You just ride the wave and tell your chat you believed all along.
Plus, chip rotation day, INTC, NXPI, MCHP, AMKR, PSTG, all catching bids, overall bullish tape, so every semi with a pulse became a personality cult.
Dude, INTC up 8% felt illegal. That's a retirement stock. It's supposed to yawn, not cosplay BMNR Junior.
That's what happens when the market decides old man chips get a rotation invite. INTC finally clears a range and every backtest nerd forgets what a pullback is.
I told you weeks ago, semis become a religion. Credo is the choir. INTC is the cathedral. NXPI and MCHP are like the deacons of premiums.
Meanwhile, AMKR and PSTG quietly trend like adults. Clean opening range breaks, low drama, and Jet ignores them because they don't scream.
Listen, if my trades aren't halting every other candle, how will I know I'm alive? AMKR is like, here's a respectful trend, and my brain rejects it.
That's addiction talking. Real pros take the boring AMKR VWAP reclaims, while you're out here trying to emotionally speedrun BMNR's entire cap table.
Hey, chaos feeds the movement. Jet is our momentum mascot. My only rule, no revenge trading BE. That industrial candle is pure behavioral science.
Be up 6% on green tech headlines and rotation, but structurally, it's a choppy name. You trade it like a liquidity trap, not a smooth trend.
I tried the BE breakout, got wicked, re-entered, got wicked again. Textbook revenge trading. Tip 3. The market can smell your feelings.
And when it does, it invoices you. Sit out the chop sometimes. Not every green candle is a personality test you have to fail publicly.
Okay, before Grizz retires to his imaginary cabin again, lightning round. Wild predictions based on today's madness. Let's go.
BMNR becomes a religion by Friday. First holds are called morning prayers, and the closing dump is officially evening confession.
BA adds 12% more tomorrow, declares itself a meme stock, and every boomer value investor has to learn what diamond hands means in real time.
CRDO holds the entire chip sector hostage. If it loses VWAP, INTC, NXPI, MCHP, AMKR, and PSTG instantly vanish into a 10% sympathy flush.
INTC specifically becomes a wellness ETF every 8% day. Comes with guided meditation. Inhale the breakout, exhale the bag holding since 2018.
ASTS quietly sends a satellite that beams real-time halt alerts into my brain, so I can FOMO even faster than the average Reddit thread.
Meanwhile, BE just grinds 6% a day forever. The official benchmark of could have retired if I wasn't busy chasing BMNR in pre-market.
Final, serious-ish take. Overall bullish. Wild intraday ranges, so either embrace smaller size and wider stops, or accept that you're funding someone else's disciplined system.
Exactly. Respect the volatility. Worship the setups. And never chase a skyscraper candle naked. Dayrade daily out, my people. Protect that buying power.